How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display hinges from a Dell Latitude E6230. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs out to unlock and remove battery. Press in and remove SD card. Press in and remove express card. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect palm rest. Then remove upper and lower keyboard screws. Now turn over and disconnect keyboard. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Now disconnect antenna cables from network cards. Now guide antenna cables through palm rest. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then remove hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.